opening the Play-Doh kitchen. And so we're gonna make a burger, hot dog, and lots of other things. Let's open it. This, the fry maker. We have plates, spatula and stuff. And we have the Play-Doh.
What colors are the Play-Dohs?
Yellow, blah, blah. Kids, I got an idea. Boo.
Have you got new glasses?
Yeah.
New nice blue glasses?
Boo.
Oh,
Boo,
there
boo,
you
boo,
are.
boo, boo. We have lots of colors. So first we're going to start with the hot dog. We need a bit amount. I'm making the bun. I did it so fast. Okay. Now we need this to make the middle. Press it down and then to give it it's gonna give it the shape. Now my burger and my hot dog is ready. Let's get them out. Okay.
Hot dogs are ready. The burger and the bun is ready. It looks so cool. Here comes another bun for the hot dog. Here comes another bun for the burger.
Let's put it there.
Now our burger is ready, but our burger needs some tomatoes and cheese.
I'm making another mushroom.
Let's make some tomatoes and cheese.
But first I'm making my other mushroom. Green lettuce. Okay,
You're making the lettuce and the tomato.
yeah.
Is your tomato ready?
Yeah.
Yes, it's ready. Now let's make the lettuce.
Yeah, we have to spray out all everywhere.
Now you're gonna take it out with the spatula.
Here's lettuce.
Ta-da! The lettuce is ready. Let's put it on the burger.
And let's put that together. I'm making a huge cheese for the burger. Okay. 2 pieces came out. Cheese.
Now our burger is ready to serve.
No, we have one more thing missing.
What's missing on the burger?
More cheese and then the top. We need more cheese.
Yeah, I think we're good with the cheese. We got lots of cheese
No,
on
I
it.
love more cheese. I want more. Serve with
The bun is missing. Where's the other piece of the bun?
right here.
Ta-da! Now let's make some hot dog buns.
Yeah.
The hot dog needs some buns.
I'm putting this.
You made some yummy hot dog buns.
Yeah, we're gonna put that there. Then that.
We've got mushroom, red mushroom on the hot dog bun.
There's no such thing as red mushroom. We have a hot dog. My fries.
Here comes the fries.
Oh yes, fries.
Yummy fries goes with the burger.
Yes. We have 4 fries. Let's put them there and there and there. Now Now it's a Happy Meal from McDonald's. Let's make more.
May I have a burger, please, with cheese on top and some lettuce and some mushroom, please?
Yes. Okay. And you want a hot dog?
No, thank you. Just a burger with cheese, tomato,
Gotcha.
lettuce. That would be good for me.
I got it. I got you. Your order is coming, Mom. It's almost ready.
Oh, it looks so yummy.
And I made you a little snack.
Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you. May I have it in my plate, please?
Yes. And I got you some fries.
Oh, thank you so much. Where is my plate? Are these yummy watermelons for me too?
Yes. I'm making you.
You want to give me extra burger
Yeah, just in
and
case.
extra fries?
Uh-huh. Just in case you're hungry. Mom, I'm gonna give you a hot dog and some rings.
Oh, yummy. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat this.
And here's your little snack.
Thank you, Armand, for making me yummy food.
Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and bye-bye.